Students, let us start the chapter integers. In fact, what are integers? Integers are in fact positive numbers, zero, negative numbers, which together form a group of numbers called group of integers there. So integers are in fact numbers. Understood? So we are in mathematics class, naturally it will be dealing with numbers. As the definition tells, it includes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, then minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. It goes on like that. So altogether what is given on the screen constitute integers. Okay. So this is basically mathematically what integers are. But what is the need of integers? We studied about whole numbers, natural numbers, were natural numbers from 1 to 3 and whole numbers from 0. We need this because certain numbers are below 0. I am writing along with talking to you. Ice cream, if you go for buying ice cream, the temperature of the ice cream will be most of the time below 0 degrees Celsius. So we have to mention minus 5 degree, minus 4 degrees Celsius. सबमराइन्स जो सी लेवल के नीचे चलते उसके डेप्थ बताना है कितने मीटर्स डाउन है. How many meters down? So we'll write minus 500 meter. Even in graph paper which is having x, y, z axis, we denote it with plus minus sign to locate where exactly the point is. We know that if both axes are positive, it will be up on the right side. If both are negative, we are quite sure that it is on the left bottom side of the graph. And the same way, if it is shown on the right bottom side, it will be having its integration of plus minus sign, as well as on the left up side also. So these numbers which are below 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, these are needed. So you understood there is a need of integers. Correct? And there are certain instances when we visit some building on the lift, we can see that there are certain numbers like minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, etc. on the panel where we select which floor we should go. So what is this? Minus 1 indicates below ground. That means the building is having floors below the ground level. Basement is there. There are 2-3 basements. Now when we think about a number system, in number system, first we studied natural numbers which started with 1, 2, 3, then whole numbers which is 0, then integers which just now introduced began from minus 1, minus 2. So that means 0 से आगे 1, 2, 3, 0 के पीछे 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, but both and it is infinite. कितना भी जा सकता है. So when we make a Venn diagram, like when we say that we know that you are in class 6. Class 6 is within the school, within a town like Mumbai, in a taluka like within a town like anything like Chambur or Ghatkopar, or it can be in a taluka and within the district of Mumbai, suburban district, then in Maharashtra state. Like that, integers have got its location. Integers on number line is another concept you should be very clear. It is very easy to represent integers on number line because integers include both positive and negative numbers. Negative numbers on the left, positive numbers on the right. And 0 is neither positive nor negative. Number line gives a clear-cut picture about this number system. Another thing, when we think about operation on integers using number line, how can we see addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on number line? It can be done. But primarily, अभी आपको एडिशन के बारे में बताता हूँ. If you are adding 1 plus 2, for example, 1 से लेके jump करके 2 position में हम 3 में पहुँचेगा. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, which is known to us. I think about writing, taking one more example, for example 3 plus 3, then I should start from 3 and go ahead 3 steps and reach to 6. On number line we can represent this kind of addition very simply and everybody can understand that. And I am talking about addition and addition only, adding a positive number here, in this case 1 plus 2 positive, 3 plus 3 positive. Sometimes we have to add negative numbers also, but addition. Negative numbers but addition. Suppose in such situation, whenever it is negative number, we have to go back. Instead of going right, we have to go left. Here it is right, please note that. Adding and going right. पॉजिटिव नंबर है तो हम राइट जाएंगे. इफ यू आर एडिंग ए नेगेटिव नंबर then we have to move to left. Adding a positive number on number line means we have to move right. Adding a negative number on number line means we have to move left. For example, if I write down or try to show an example of adding a negative number, for example, if I am adding 3 to minus 2 or negative 2, so I should start from 3. Where is 3? 3 is here. Where from? We are adding a negative number. So 2 steps to left and I reach to 3 plus minus 2 is equal to 1. Understood? So the point over here is I am talking about addition. First it was positive number, now it is negative number. Adding one more negative number, minus 3, from starting from negative 3 itself, adding minus 2, negative 2 to it. In that case I have to start from negative 3. I will remove this right from here. Chalo. Again negative 3, taking 2 step to left because adding a negative number. So negative 3, 2 step to left side and I reach to negative 5. So my dear student, this time I have to be limited here. Operation on integer numbers using number line, only addition. I say again, we were talking about addition of positive and negative numbers. Nothing of subtraction I told on number line. Okay, limited it only to addition of numbers, both positive and negative, on number line. Okay, let us move ahead. Now the next topic is, let us apply what we learned in the form of a rule. While adding integers with the same sign, ignore the sign and add numbers, then give common sign to their sum. This is the rule of addition. This is what you have to primarily learn. Adding integers with same sign. Let us do 3 plus 2. We know that it is 5. Both are positive. Correct? We are adding. Having same sign means having positive sign. दोनों positive इसलिए specially लिखा नहीं. Adding two numbers having same sign, negative 2 plus negative, so negative 3 plus negative 2, which is equal to negative 5. Again we are applying the same rule. Same sign, add, ignoring the sign, add and put the common sign. Remember it. Minus 8 plus minus 6 is equal to minus 14. 8 plus 6 is also equal to 14. Both are positive, both are negative. तो ये आप एकदम पक्का मन में रखिए. Both are having same sign. Add the numbers, put the common sign. Sure? Let us go ahead. Think about operation on integers by rule same. Under that, adding integers with different signs. Again addition. Subtraction बहुत दूर रखा है हमने, क्योंकि subtraction एक लाइन में हम मैनेज कर रहे हैं. Adding integers with different sign. We have to again ignore the sign. Instead of addition, we have to do subtraction here. Without carrying the sign, ignoring the sign, we will subtract smaller number from bigger number and put the sign of bigger number. ये आप स्लोगन जैसे पढ़ के रखना है. Adding integers with a different sign means ignore the sign, subtract smaller number from bigger one and put the sign of bigger number, तभी साइन लिखने का subtraction करने के बाद. For example, 8, before that let me revise. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14, same sign. Minus 8 plus minus 6 is equal to minus 14, again same sign. Now coming to this topic which we have already, this we have learnt, जो अभी पढ़ लिया. Now we are going to addition of integers with a different sign. We'll take the same example. Let us add 8 plus minus 6. Different sign हो गया, तो different है. We have to ignore the sign. हम ignore करेंगे. Then we will subtract bigger from smaller. That means 8 minus 6, 2 मिल गया. Now look at which is bigger in absolute value or the real value. 8. उसका sign positive है, answer positive है. खत्म हो गया. Let us do another one. Both are positive. वो बताने का जरूरत नहीं है क्योंकि पॉजिटिव है तो हम पॉजिटिव लिखता नहीं, नेगेटिव है तो स्पेशली मेंशन करेगा. Let us go ahead with another one. Let us write. We will continue the same number. That will be easy for you to compare later. You can watch the video again. Minus 8 plus negative 8 plus 6. Different sign. Difference is again 2, but we will put a negative sign because bigger number is having negative sign. ये जो अभी लिखा है इतना परफेक्टली समझना है आपको. सेम साइन, ऐड एंड पुट द सेम साइन. डिफरेंट साइन, फाइंड द डिफरेंस, पुट द साइन ऑफ द नंबर हैविंग बिगर वैल्यू विथआउट कंसिडरिंग साइन. साइन के बारे में भूल जाओ. 8 प्लस 6 दिया, 8 प्लस 6 दोनों में डिफरेंस 2 है, साइन बड़ा नंबर का आ गया. बी वेरी क्लियर एंड बी वेरी थॉरो. वॉच अगेन. Okay, it's very important. Going to another concept. So addition का rule of the stop. Opposite numbers. Opposite is a very common term. Opposite numbers, we can say that plus 5 and minus 5 are opposite numbers. Plus 3 and minus 3 are opposite number. The reason is that both are having same distance and have an opposite direction if I am talking about number line. Correct? If you move to right 3 steps, it will be plus 3. Moving left 3 steps, it will be minus 3. Naturally, they are opposite, same distance, opposite direction. And if you add that, you will be getting 0. Plus 3 से minus 3 ऐड करो 0 मिलेगा. Minus 3 से plus 3 ऐड करो 0 मिलेगा. और नया रूल पे difference is 0 means you will get 0. Addition का रूल अप्लाई किए तो भी 0 मिलेगा. So this is concept of opposite numbers. Okay? ध्यान में रखो. Now, after learning about opposite numbers, we have to move on to another concept of comparing integers. Here number line will again help. This is number line. Number line में left में जो है वो सब smaller in value, right में value बढ़ते बढ़ते जा रहा है. In this number line, minus 4 is having lowest and highest is 5. जो भी left में जाएगा उतना unit value कम हो जाएगा. 4 is greater than minus 3. It is very clear. 4 on the right hand side of 0 and minus 3 on the left hand side of 0. उससे हमको मालूम पड़ा. And 4 is greater than 3. Otherwise also मालूम है, but minus 3 is much smaller. Okay. The next one is also 4 is greater than 3. No doubt about it. Both are on the right side, but 4 comes right to 3. 0 is greater than minus 1. अभी नंबर लाइन में देखे तो भी आपको मालूम पड़ता है वो करेक्ट. राइट. If you look at the next one, minus 2, minus 3 on left side of minus 2, naturally minus 3 is smaller or minus 2 is greater. Now subtraction of integers. To subtract a number from another number is to add its opposite number to the other number. Subtract means add the opposite. ये आपको याद रखना है. 8 minus minus 6, negative 6 minus करना है. We are changing subtraction into addition and minus 6 or negative 6 into positive 6. That means we have taken the opposite. बाकी तो हमको मालूम है addition rule है. This is from your textbook where you can see one by one. Minus 9 minus minus 4, we have changed negative minus into positive, negative 4 into positive 4, and we are applying the rule of addition. Next line, where minus 9 plus 4, where we are applying the rule of addition, difference is 5, bigger number is 9, उसका साइन डाल दिया. Next, again negative to positive, changing the sign of -9, doing addition. The same way next also, changing the sign, changing subtraction into addition, and changing the sign and going ahead. So this particular page tells you everything about subtraction, but only one line is there, change the sign and add. जो subtract कर रहे हो उसका sign change करो, subtraction के जगह पे addition करो. Okay, 8 minus 6 होने दो, we'll change the sign and add. -8 minus 6 करो, we'll change the sign and add. You will keep on doing this and will keep on practicing this, and you will become an expert in addition and subtraction of integers. Subtraction means add the opposite. वीडियो पॉज करके आपको ये स्क्रीन बार बार देखना है. मैं बोलते बोलते लिख के गया. वीडियो पॉज करके आपको ये स्क्रीन देखना है बार बार. टेक्स्ट बुक का पेज भी है और सब्ट्रैक्शन का रूल भी है. ओके, सो altogether we studied about what we studied about the rules of addition and subtraction in integers. When we study about these rules of subtraction and addition of integers, adding the integers with the same sign, we will simply add and put the same sign, the common sign, ignoring what the sign is, but the same sign will be put. Just like -8 plus -6 will give -14, 8 plus 6 will give 14. When adding integers with a different sign, we will ignore the sign, subtract the smaller from the bigger, and give the sign of bigger number to the difference obtained. उधर हम डिफरेंस निकालेंगे, बड़ा नंबर का साइन डालेंगे. 8 और 6 में बड़ा -8 होने आंसर -2 हो गया, सेकंड केस में 2 हो गया. अब सब्ट्रैक्शन का रूल सिंपल है, ऐड द ऑपोजिट नंबर. सब्ट्रैक्शन को हम एडिशन सम में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, जो नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं उसका साइन चेंज करेंगे. -6 प्लस करके ऐड किया, नेक्स्ट केस में 6 को -6 करके ऐड किया. दैट मीन्स वी आर चेंजिंग द साइन एंड एडिंग. Okay, my dear students, this is the back page of your textbook where they have given you a chance for what we say playing with dice. जो snake and ladders, सांप सीढ़ी में खेलने होते हैं ना, डाइस जो खेलने के लिए यूज करते हैं, 6 फेस वाला अपना डाइस से खेलने का मौका दिया है. You have to move through these 1 2 3 4 5 6 slowly according to the number you are getting. But वो इंटीजर्स में कैसे काम करेंगे मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको. मैं 1-2 स्टेप खेल के दिखाना पड़ेगा. इसका 1 2 3 इधर से स्टार्ट होता है, इधर मैं रेड लाइन से मार्क कर रहा हूँ, उधर से ऐसे 1 2 3 4 5, लेकिन बीच में उधर एक इंटीजर ऑपरेशन भी दिया है. आपके टेक्स्ट बुक के पीछे का कवर है. चलो मुझे 4 मिल गया तो मैं स्टार्ट किया गेम. तो 1 2 3 4 काउंट करके मैं 4 में आके बैठना है. करेक्ट, दैट इज अ गेम नो. तो जब 4 में आके बैठेगा उधर कुछ लिखा है. क्या लिखा है 4 में? क्या लिखा है? -3 + 7 लिखा है. तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? वो एडिशन करके देखना पड़ेगा. डिफरेंस इज 4 एंड इट इज पॉजिटिव. तो मुझे आंसर मिला 4 और मिला भी 4, तो मैं 4 में जाके बैठेंगे. अभी मैं सर्कल करके दिखाता हूँ क्योंकि ऑन स्क्रीन में अभी खेल नहीं सकते. अभी मैं 4 में आके बैठा, वापस खेलता हूँ. क्या नंबर आता है? 1 मिल गया. तो नेक्स्ट इसमें जाना है, दैट इज 5 में जाके बैठना है. लेकिन उधर एक सम दिया है. क्या सम दिया है 5 में? 5 में ऐसा एक सम दिया है 9 - 5, उसका वैल्यू है 4. तो मुझे इंस्टेड ऑफ सिटिंग एट 5 आई विल मूव 4 स्टेप्स. सो आई विल रीच फ्रॉम 4 to 5, देन टू 6, देन टू 7, देन टू 8. उधर जाके बैठे. अगेन खेलता हूँ और एक बार खेल के खत्म. 3 मिल गया तो आई विल रीच टू 1 2 3 11 में पहुंचेंगे मैं. राइट, 11 में बैठेंगे और एक बार खेलता हूँ. 2 मिल गया तो 11 से मुझे 12 13 में बैठना है, लेकिन उधर बैठ नहीं सकते, उधर कुछ ऑपरेशन है. क्या है 13 में ऑपरेशन? उधर एक ऑपरेशन दिया है -1 + 5, तो उसका मतलब 4 है. सो 11 से 4 स्टेप जाके मुझे 15 में बैठना पड़ेगा. सो आई विल मूव फ्रॉम 11 टू 12, 13, 14, 15. तो वैसे आप आपके दोस्त के साथ टेक्स्ट बुक के पीछे का ये जो गेम खेलेंगे साथ साथ इंटीजर्स भी पढ़ेंगे. बहुत एक्सपर्ट बनना है इसमें. वेरी यूजफुल टॉपिक, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक, बिकॉज it is integers. Okay, so I am sure that you will not take this lightly. Thank you very much. Play the video again and again, make it thorough, and be an expert in operation of integers. Thank you.